Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is the appointment of SC judges. This topic relates to polity section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. 3 new judges have been appointed to the Supreme Court of India on 29th May 2025. Their oath taking will briefly restore the SC's full sanctioned strength of 34 judges. The appointed judges are Justice N V Anjaria, Justice Vijay Bishnoi, and Justice A S Chandurkar. Get ready for the new session sale of Drishti IAS. Get 40% off on all online courses, pen drive courses, and test series. And that's not all. Get 25% off on books, DLP, and magazines. Don't miss this limited time offer. Call now at 875-018-7501 or download the Drishti Learning app today. Hurry! The sale lasts only from 1st to 3rd June. Now let's discuss appointment of SC judges. Appointment. A Supreme Court judge is appointed by the President under Article 124(2) of the Constitution. As per the convention, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court is designated as the Chief Justice of India. The seniority is measured by the length of service on the Supreme Court. Qualification. A person to be appointed as a Supreme Court judge should have the following qualifications. He should be a citizen of India. He should have been a judge of a high court or high courts in succession for 5 years. Or he should have been an advocate of a high court or high courts in succession for 10 years. Or he should be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. CJI, along with collegium of 4 senior most judges of SC, is consulted by the President for the appointment of judges in the SC and the High Court. It's time to test your knowledge. And the question is, how many judges are sanctioned in the Supreme Court of India? A. 31, B. 34, C. 33, D. 36. Send the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.